So hello guys, today we are going to learn how to make a calculator in Java. So I have created a folder for Java and I am using Visual Studio Code. Now I will type a calculator dot Java. Dot Java is very important for creating a Java file. So now it will automatically take public class calculator if you are using Visual Studio Code. And now I will type here import import dot java dot util dot scanner. Import, sorry, dot will not come here. Import dot java dot util dot scanner and press enter. So this is a Java import that will help us to take input from the user. So now let's write the program for the calculator. Now we can directly write here main if you are using Visual Studio Code and then press enter. It means public static void main. If you are not using Visual Studio Code, you can type it by word to word. Now we will take variables for input from the user. Int number 1, int number 2, int number 3, int calculator, only cal, int, int quotient, and then int remainder. Quotient remainder is for the division calculator. Calculator is coming wrong here because the class name is different. Now it will come right. Now you will be thinking that why there are so many errors. Seven, because these all are not used. We have not taken the input from the user. We have not taken any value to the int value. So these are not used. That is why. Now we will start writing. Now we will write here south if you are using VS Code. It means system.out.print. Now we will write here enter to number. So now we will take input from the user. Now we will use the util scanner that we imported. Now we will write here scanner R, scanner R. Now we will name the scanner R. New scanner, new scanner. We are taking a new input, and then you have to take system dot in, and system S should be in capital, and then we will write south system.out.print again, and then colon enter first number. It means now it will take the input from the Java and the input from the scanner and then user, and then the user has to enter the first number. Now I will run the program to show you. See, now enter two program, enter first number, enter two number, enter first number. Sorry. And then now we will take uh, uh, one more input, number one that we took here. Int number one. Number one is equal to R. Now we will use the scanner here. Number one is equal to R dot next int. So it means that we are using the scanner value. Now I will run the program. Enter first number. Now it is taking the input 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. You can type letters, but will come error then because we are using int value. Now, now we will take the second number, South program, South. Enter second number. Enter second number. Now here also we will take an input. Same scanner we will use. Number 2 byte. different variable. Number two r dot next int, next int, control s and then control s. Now I will run this. Now it will take two input. First number two, second number two. Now we have to write the program lines. Now we will write south. Now the user will select the operation. Operation means the which addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Select operation. Now, now we will press enter and then system.out.print. One is addition, means the user will press 1 to add and then shout again. 2 to subtract, subtract, shout again. 3 to add, 3 to multiply, multiply and shout again, which means 4 to divide. For division we will write different program that I will show you in the video. Now we will take the input from the user, shout, enter operation number, enter operation number. It means the user will enter the operation number like 1 to add, 2 to subtract, 3 to multiply and 4 to divide. And now we took the input from the user and then now we will take a scanner. Scanner, new scanner. Scanner S or any number you can take, your choice. New scanner, new scanner, and again system.in. System.in is important or else the scanner won't work. Now we will take the variable, we will utilize a variable that we took here. Number 3 int value is equal to s dot next int means it will take int value input. Now we will save this, control s, or else the program will stay there only. It is important to save. Now we will write the else program. If condition number 3 number 3 is equal to 1 means the number 3 scanner input. If the user presses 1, it means the program has to add. So now we will utilize the calculate cal int that we took. cal cal is equal to number 1. Number 1 means the number 1 we took from the user and number 2 scanner input. Now the program will add it and then shout program, shout. Now we will display the value. So now we will write here addition, addition or sum of two numbers, sum of two numbers, or else we can write like this also for more good display. Two numbers. I will give here a space after a colon, and then we will write here important plus cal to enter the input. Now we have successfully completed. No, just a second. We have to put your colon. Control S now. Now we have successfully completed the addition program. So now I will show you and run this. Enter two number. First number is 2. Second number is 2. and select operation. We have did of first one, so first one to add sum of two numbers 4, 2 plus 2 4. Now we will create a subtraction. If and then outside outside this bracket, blue bracket, else if again condition, if number 3 is equal to 2. What if number 3 is equal to 2? So cal is equal to number 1 plus number 2, again the same program, and then number 1 should be changed to minus, same, and then south difference of two numbers, difference of two numbers, and then we will write here plus outside a bracket plus cal. Now we have completed our subtraction. I will run it together at the last. Now else if again, else if you have more than two condition, then else if again and again. If statement, if number 3 is equal to 3, then cal is equal to number 1 multiplied asterisk into number 2. Easy, right? So now we will type as out again, and then we will type product of two numbers. Product of two numbers, and then space plus cal. Simple, right? Now we will create program of division. It's a little bit different. Now we will type here, press enter. Wait a second. Yes. Now we will type here else if same, else if, and same condition number 3 is equal to 4. If number 3 is equal to 4, then we will type here for the quotient we took here int, so it will be coming is equal to number 1 divided by number 2. This is the formula for quotient. And then remainder int is equal to number 1 percent number 2. Here is a formula for remainder. But we have to take care two souths now, two output. First we will type here quotient of two numbers. Plus quotient we will add here. Quotient. You can do it with the cal variable also, but for more easy we are taking different variables. Now again south, and then remainder of two numbers, easy, plus remainder, and then we have completed with our calculator. Super easy. Now we will run this. At the first number 2, second number 2, subtract the two difference of two numbers 0. Now we will do it with multiplication. First number 2, second number 2, we are choosing the operation 3, 2 into 2 4. Now division. Now remainder and quotient both will come. Second number 2, divide 4, and quotient 1, 2 ones are 2, and remainder of two numbers 0. I have mistyped here, just a second, I will correct it. Yes. So we have successfully completed how to create a calculator in Java. Thank you.